Come with me as we go from Morro Bay to Kirk Creek. This is where we stayed at when we were in Morro Bay. Decent RV park, great view, and you can even camp with a tent. Oh, fun fact, but this is actually a volcano plug from a once active volcano. After Morro Bay, we drove up to Kirk Creek and we came across these seals taking a nap. Oh, to be a seal sleeping on a beach. After the seals, we stopped at Portal to Big Sur in Ragged Point, and here we got coffee and key lime pie. Here's Kirk Creek Campground. I bet you can't say that 3 times fast. As night was approaching, we decided to make shrimp and steak tacos for dinner. Once the propane was on, I then grabbed the food from the RV and started off by preparing the raw red shrimp from Costco. A little bit of mixed seasoning. Some black pepper from Trader Joe's. Some pink Himalayan salt from Trader Joe's. A drizzle of avocado oil. More mixed seasonings. A drizzle of tequila. Some prepared peppers from Costco. Here I'm going to be caramelizing them before I add the meat. After adding the steak and onions to the lightly sauteed bell peppers, we didn't have to leave it on much longer since the steaks were pre-made from Costco. Right here I'm adding an essential to any steak meal. Comment down below what it is. After putting the food I prepared into the RV to stay warm, I then drizzled on some more avocado oil to do the tortillas. Too bad I didn't take better pictures because these pics do not give it justice. It looks so good in person. These next clips will be my last moment in Kirk Creek. I definitely recommend Kirk Creek to anyone who wants a campsite right on the beach on a cliffside. If you want a super accessible beach, this is not the place. But it's still very beautiful landscape and you're not going to be disappointed. You do need to watch out for poison oak though. It's pretty prevalent along the campsite areas. As we were driving home, we stopped by Sand Dollar Beach and we saw the most beautiful rock formation. After leaving Sand Dollar Beach, we came across this area and just decided to stop. This is one of the last videos of the trip and it's one of my favorite ones. Thanks for coming along with me on this trip and I hope to see you guys in the next video.